Hi everybody and welcome to another weekly vlog from my side. And this week you're just gonna see my week in a nutshell. Everything, basically how my week is going, what am I doing, how am I training. I did also the fit test on the bike, a little bit of the groceries haul, and a little bit of training all over the place. So it's a week in a nutshell. Enjoy, guys. And I got a beautiful bouquet from my family. Maya, keep on being the amazing person you are. We love you from the Rat family. Oh, guys, thank you so much. Yeah, you know, like, we help each other out. I help them with my studio when they need it, so they gifted me this beautiful bouquet. Ah, thank you so much. Oh, I'm tired. Oof. Mo fatigué. This is in Creole, that you mean you're tired. So, I just did a little bit of the grocery shopping and what I bought. So I don't use the bags, but I use the carton boxes because we have so much bags. But we actually, here we don't use the plastic bags anymore. In Seychelles, plastic bags are banned. We use the recyclable bags. I'll show you. We use this kind of bags, so they are out of some kind of fabric. But I also use the carton boxes when I'm going shopping. So I just take the box there and I just use it. So what did I buy? So I'm out of oats, so I bought quick oats. Yep, this is the more flakes. Then I bought some veggies. I bought this salad. So those are imported from Italy. Yeah, so some greens. I got cucumber, little zucchinis. This is so rare to see. It's like European summer food. Everybody has zucchinis in their garden, but they're so tiny, and I'm like, oh, I'm craving for zucchinis. So this is for today. And then I'm having some beans. So it's a great protein source. I love this. I love a pumpkin as well, so you can use so many recipes with a pumpkin. But today I'm gonna have it in pasta, I think. So have this and a bell pepper, a yellow one. Yeah. And then I bought some toothbrush. I need it, and I need to have some kind of cooling creams, like a sports cream. I have a little injury here in my hip from the last time when I went running. It's still not all right yet. So that's that. Food cream. This one is mint, peppermint oil. It's good. It's a really nice one. Anyway, yeah. So this is for feet, to have soft feet before we go to sleep. I rub it on myself and on my little one's feet. He just loves the foot massage while we are reading the bedtime stories. This is his favorite right now at the moment. I have his baby cream for that, baby toddler cream. So I got some lady stuff, some tampons and some other thing, some panty liners. Yeah, so that's what I bought, and this was like 383 rupees, which is around 20 euros, I think, something like that. Oh, this is 20 euros. I'll calculate that. I'll be back. How much is that? Oh, where's my phone? I said, where is my phone? I'm filming with my phone. This is when your brain doesn't function. Oh my god. So yeah, in Seychelles, this is 25 euros of worth of the food. And before anybody asks, what happened to your belly? What are those lines? These lines here. This is from my pants, from my leggings. Because I had a classes, like 3 classes today already, and of course there are lines
Like you can see, no, nobody is beating me up. Just thought of mentioning, because in my previous video somebody said what happened to my eye, like your under eye is a little bit blue. Yeah, I was filming in the morning and I have a little bit under eye blackness. You can still see here a little bit, so makeup doesn't cover everything. So no, I'm not blue or anything. I'm not blue here either. Don't worry. I would kick somebody else's as well, so don't worry about that. And that's my lunch in a paradise. Yummy. How's the food? We eat on the floor because we don't have a table. We do, but it's my office. And for dessert, I just cooked a plantain. So that's a very huge banana here. And I just cut it and I put it in the boiling water for about 5 minutes or so until it's super tender. Then I just cool it off and the peel goes off so smoothly and it's so delicious. My goodness, those were 2 bananas and they were gone in like a few seconds, a few minutes. So we just finished a session.
I can't talk, I'm dying. But thank you, Maya.
You're welcome. We did a fit test and also a 12-minute bike test, cycling test. And she did amazing as always. She's super great.
Thank you, Maya, you're the best.
Yeah, you
Please
too.
try her out and organize her training session. She's amazing. Get results really fast.
Good. Abs. Shoulders. Cool. Okay. Okay. Hope you hear me all right.
Yeah. So now it's my turn to do a 12-minute bike test. So the test is all about how long you can, not how long, for the distance, how many kilometers or miles you can do in 12 minutes. So I will do this 12-minute test right now. And as always, I'm having my pre-workout coffee. This is my pre-workout. It boosts me up. I don't use any other pre-workout, not yet. This one is really good for me. So yeah. So now I have to adjust the bike because Charlene, she's super tall. She's a model-like tall, and I'm like a super shorty. So I have to adjust the bike. So you can check how I'm adjusting my bike. So when it comes to adjusting your bike height and distance, so you always have to measure your hip bone, so you're standing next to it, and your seat should be where your hip bone is. So like this, you can measure it, right? So that's your seat. So the front part and the seat also is very important. So you measure your elbow distance, and that's your perfect as well. And this one, the height of the front part of the bike, is basically, it's up to you if you want to have it more low or you have it more up. So somewhere in between is the best one, I would say. And then make sure that you are not like fully extending the legs when you're pedaling, and not also like having the pedaling like this. It
has to go nice and fluid, and also the ladies and of course men, you're not supposed to feel any pain between the legs. It's not comfortable. And also the resistance, I have here the resistance. And also if you notice that you're like jumping on the bike, that your resistance is a little bit too light because you are too fast already. So you have to up the resistance, you have to go up with the resistance. So that's the setup of the bike. And yeah, I have my Apple Watch here. I'll check how accurate the bike calorie monitor is and distance monitor and everything, what it measures. I'll see how accurate it is according to Apple Watch monitor. So yeah, bike now, my own fit test. Let's hit it.
Center of attention, they all want some. I'm like fire, hot as the sun. The dance floor is burning, call 911. Hands on my body, I'm loving the heat, but it won't come easy, nothing's for free. If you want me, then prove it, baby. I just wanna party all night long. Ooh, I do it all for fun. Don't need your love, I'm a sinner. Left my lover crying on the dance floor. I'm a sinner, I'm a sinner. Left my lover crying on the dance floor. I'm a sinner, I'm a sinner. I'm so sorry if I've let you down, but I'm so high that I can't.
The sweat is real. Glittery, sweaty all over. I managed to do how much? 12 minutes. And let's see, I think I did 4 kilometers 26. 4 kilometers 26. Calories are actually very accurate. So Apple Watch measures 2 types: active calories and total calories. So active calories is when you're basically really doing the active cycling and work, and total calories is the calories which are your total if you take rest. So also the total calories will be measured. That was a good fit test. I will check at home what does that mean, which category I am in. You know, now I actually see how my clients are struggling when I put them through the test, and of course I have to do the same workouts. I have to test the workout so that I'm able to be the best trainer I possibly can, because I know what they're going through. So this cycling in the half of the way, around 5, 6, 7 minutes, is the hardest one, and then when you are going over that threshold, it's basically easy, and then when it reaches 9, 10 minutes, it's like, okay, I will just push for the next 2 minutes and I'm done. Yeah. Okay. So now, I'm like a sweaty mess anyway. Now get ready for my next client. It's nice. And it's like I have her in 1 hour and a half, so it's enough for me to cool off, change my clothes. I need to go to the shop to buy batteries. Yeah. That's it. That's an awesome session, guys. Maybe I will film some real-time videos with bicycles. So if you have a bicycle at home, we can do it together. But I will make it like Tabata style or interval style, where we do one exercise on the bike and the other one on the floor. So that's a very good combo. Let me know what you think down below about this idea.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars.
It's a lot of hills and also a lot of beaches, tropical beaches. It's a beautiful place. Yes. Yay! Is it good?
It's delicious. Oh my god.
How is it?
It's a vanilla milk.
Good, no? Yeah, so my ladies, we tried shake party. The first little shake party. We're gonna have 10 different flavors and we're gonna get the shots. Yay! Just mixed salad with tofu, beans, capsicum, zucchini I think I have inside, and that's it. Olive oil, Himalayan pink salt, and a little bit of vinegar. Yum. Yum yum. Friday, and I'm waiting for my next client.
Center of attention, they all want some. I'm like fire, hot as the sun. The dance floor is burning, call 911. Hands on my body, I'm loving the heat, but it won't come easy, nothing's for free. If you want me.
I still have 3 clients to go. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. It was, I know, all over the place, and it's just like my week, how it is. I'm spending a lot of times here in my studio now, from 8 in the morning till usually 1:30 p.m. Then I go home and I come back at 4:30 till 6 p.m. So it's a lot of work, and then when I come home, I have to prepare all the sessions, and I have to do the client's assessments and everything for the following day. So I'm really looking forward to Fridays, because at least on Friday evening I don't have to do anything. But then Saturday is my filming day, and yeah, and then I need to also upgrade my update every single Sunday, or Sunday evening for a webpage. The new videos. By the way, if you don't know, you can train with me every single day on fitnessbymaya.com. The webpage is renewed now. It's super fast. It's amazing. So you're gonna get a weekly schedule for beginners and for advanced. It's up to you. And also a weekly challenge exercise plus meal plan is also there. So check it out. It's a subscription site, so it's similar than I have videos on YouTube. It's just that it's more structured with more like a sense, like you would train in a program. So yeah, so that's been that, and that's pretty much all of my week. That's been going. Yeah, I'm already exhausted, but we have to work. I love it anyway. Right. Bye. See you next week. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video.
Need your love. I'm a